Hello, hello. Welcome to Boys and Girls Hairstyles. And thank you for joining us on this journey. I am very pleased that you guys are here with us. I am really excited and pumped to introduce you to Jenn. She is a rock star friend. She is a mom, a Grammy, gorgeous Grammy of 9.
Oh, you are nice,
yes,
Madonna.
no,
Thank you.
You are a sweetheart. She is, she's amazing. She's a great wife and mom, and her grandkids love her.
And I don't want to wash my hair every day.
And so we're gonna do a video. I actually came to Jenn's house. We're just in her bathroom going to do this. So we are really excited. And I wanna thank you guys. Last week I did a video. Got a little emotional and kind of crazy, but I wanted to thank you for the comments and all your sweet words. It means a lot. So what we are going to go over is what we're going to use. We are going to just pump her hair up. We haven't washed since Friday and it's Monday. So we're gonna do 3-4 day old hair. We wanna show you guys how you can make it easy and feel better with just a little bit of dry shampoo. Okay. What I'm going to do is, and she says that it feels gross, which I'm like, no, it's totally great. I would take little sections up like this. Okay, you're gonna hold it at least out to here, okay? You're gonna rub this in. This is Jenn's favorite.
My favorite dry shampoo.
Yes, favorite dry shampoo. It was hard for me, you guys, to find a dry shampoo, to be honest with you. First off, it smells phenomenal, but it's hard to find a dry shampoo because some of them can be too much. Now say you have dark hair, because Jenn's is blonde.
Great.
Blondish, gray, natural highlighting. Anyway, if you have dark hair, you might want to hold it out just a little bit further from the hair. But I'm going through this. And what this is doing is it's taking out the oils in your hair. Smells phenomenal. But this will take the oils out of your hair. So I'm just taking little sections like this.
So Madonna, I watched that video with the elephant and your dad.
Yes, okay, the dream.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is what I was talking about.
Yeah.
This is what I was talking about at the first of the video, about how I appreciated everybody, their comments and stuff. Yeah, Jenn, it was pretty intense. I didn't say everything I wanted to because I got so emotional and sidetracked, but just Deb's helped me so much in my mindset, and she's just helped me so much. And learning like positive and negative anchors. So my positive, my mom and dad, teaching me to be a good person, be on time, be, a good neighbor, all of those things. The other things that, and to let your family help support you and things too. So I just reflected on those positive things, but also there's like negative things. Like, you guys probably do it, right? Like we get negative in our heads, or we feel inadequate, or we are afraid of failing, or those things. And so I get, you know what I mean? There's just so many feelings. Then of course, back in school, if somebody says something to you back in the day, which has happened, Deb's helped me through that, and she's unlocking all these things.
It's so interesting to me. Like, I think of anchor as only being negative because it drags you down, but really an anchor is also something so positive because it can keep you grounded.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
for real. No, I'm glad that you're talking, because I feel like this is so good for everybody to hear. Yeah, we're talking about hair, but no, really, sorry.
This is what we do in the beauty salon.
Yes, this is what we do.
Stuff.
We do, and it's good. And I feel like with Deb, and you guys will notice in my videos, like I just want to. I'm learning how in my life to bring certain points and different anchors which are good, not the anchors that always drag us down, but lift us up. So Deb's helping me, you know, do this, and you'll be seeing in my videos the way I change them. I want them, you'll see the change too, just because I'm unlocking some things also. So in future videos, it'll be more unlocked. I'm just coming out of this unlocked place that we all can be and that we all probably are. But it's exciting. And so, yeah, in fact, on Thursday, we are doing a live training. We would love for you to join us. There's a link below, actually, we'll put in the description. Link below. Go ahead and jump on that, and you can get on a training with Deb and I on Thursday at 11 Mountain Standard Time. I would love for you guys to, and it's all free. It's a free trial. So just go ahead and jump. It's a training. It's free. You'll just love Deb. She's, and when I first met her, you wouldn't, you know, think of her as a coach. She was just like a friend.
That's what
right
I was
then.
gonna say to you. Is she like a life coach? Does
Yeah,
she do? Okay.
she is, and the things that she does, and that's the thing is, like I said, I don't want to call her a coach, but she really is like coaching me through things, unlocking things. That's incredible. So if I was you guys, I would jump on Thursday. Just go down, get the link, and let us know if you have any questions about that. But yes, she's incredible, and mindset, you guys, is so powerful. So mindset, let's talk about that. Like mindset in keeping your hair dirty for 3 or 4 or 5 days, right? That's a mindset too. Like, hey, I can do this. I can go with my hair without washing it forever. Because some people will say that too, like, I have to wash my hair every day. You really don't. It's really good not to, but there are little tricks like this that I showed you. So like I said, I had gone in, just held it back, you know, and just go through. This is going to bring the oils out in your hair, and you can just massage it through.
I wish you could do my hair every day.
Wouldn't that be nice? Hey, it wasn't hard. I just ran over to her house. We're just doing it in her bathroom. Her gorgeous bathroom, by the way. You're welcome. And the thing about Jenn's hair, so she had curled it. It had been curled when she had done it. But when you go through this, it feels, because some can feel like chalky if you use it. But this one, it just doesn't feel like that.
I feel like it
and
just
you
gives
don't need
more
a ton.
body.
Yeah. That's the biggest thing. In fact, I was just going to say that. So body in the hair, it totally does. Even if you're curling your hair and your hair's clean, this dry shampoo, even though it's cleaning it, can give it volume. Okay, so the other thing is I have a fine comb here, fine tooth comb, and I'm going to come in and out. And then of course I'm just going to spray under there just a little bit. And same thing under here. I hold the hair up tight here, and then in, down, and out. Okay, and I know that's,
why not?
Should we leave it like that? Yeah, it's so cute. Okay, so then we're just gonna bring this down into its spot here.
I mean, it was gonna be a hat today if
And
you
now-
didn't come over, so.
See, we're over here, and I'm like, you know what?
I can do something with
You know what? I need to show people, Jenn, how they can do their hair after 3 or 4 days of not washing it. And she's like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, come on, please. So we're in her bathroom.
It's perfect.
Yep, it works, right? It's real.
It's real.
It's real. Okay, now I'm going to come through this middle and bring this up, and I'm just back combing it. This is the styling part, obviously. And I just take little sections and back comb those. Just spray it here with the hairspray. Then I'm going to bring this down. And if you guys feel, Jenn's hair stays really good and curls. If you feel like you need to recurl it a little bit, go for it. It's totally fine. Now I'm going to turn your head this way a little bit. I'm just going to give this some body here. Back comb it. Same here, another little section. So anyway, I'm going to be planning my YouTube a little different. I'm feeling so much better, and she's really opened up some things. And so I don't know what's holding you guys back. Like, I feel like there's things hold people back.
Yes,
whether
absolutely.
it's for jobs, whether it's for being a better wife, or whether it's being a better friend, or you always have that doubt of something that's going to go wrong, instead of, you know what, nope, I'm going to do this. I'm going to, you know, and so just learning this mindset training is
because
really
it's easy
helped me.
to feel inadequate and
Yes.
to feel not
Yes.
enough.
So honestly, you guys, what's holding you back? Like, is there something? Like, seriously ask yourself, what's holding yourself back, and work on that. Like, seriously, and Deb's really good on obviously teaching me how. Like, when your mind goes to that negative anchor, it's so crazy how she teaches you to come back. You know what I mean? It's crazy.
Positive
To your
anchors.
positive. Yep.
And you do have the greatest family.
So thank you. Thank you. I feel very blessed. Very, very blessed. I really do. Okay, so I have a challenge for you. If you see somebody's hair that's pretty, tell them. If you think they're doing a good job, tell them. Just let them know. Love life and love those in it. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time. See ya.